Screw the mouthpiece tightly and press the blue knob in upward direction. Breathe out gently. Place the mouthpiece of the turbospin in your mouth. Seal it with your lips and inhale deeply. Hold breath for a few seconds and exhale. Remove the empty respi cap and screw the mouthpiece back. Put the protective cap back. Nebulizers. Nebulizers are machines that turn quick relief medicines to a liquid form into a fine mist like an aerosol. You breathe this in with a face mask or a mouthpiece. Nebulizers are extremely useful for people who are very fatigued or tired with their breathing. Nebulizers are used in hospital or at home under a doctor's guidance. Managing healthy lifestyle can help reduce frequency and intensity of asthma attacks. Balanced healthy eating. Regular physical activity as guided by doctors. Take precaution to prevent exercise-induced asthma. Use special lung capacity building yogic techniques, pranayams. Breathing and relaxation helps to relieve stress and keep breathing muscles relaxed and working better. Useful pranayams for asthma. Kapalbhati. It cleanses the respiratory system and the nasal passages. The spasm in the bronchial tubes may be reduced. Carbon dioxide is eliminated better. Avoid Kapalbhati in the case of extreme asthma. Bhastrika. Forceful breathing in and out helps to cleanse the respiratory tract of allergens. It also helps to increase the lungs' capacity. Asthma in children. Children have smaller airways than adults, which makes asthma especially serious for them. Children with asthma may also experience wheezing, coughing, and chest tightness. Your child's asthma must be managed. To prevent your child from having chronic and troublesome symptoms. To allow your child to maintain normal physical activity levels and exercise. To help children to improve breathing and mainly expiration capacity of lungs, let them blow balloons. More balloons they blow, the better for them, and it's a fun activity. To help your child, you must talk to teacher. It should include a brief history of your child's asthma, asthma symptoms to watch out for, a list of triggers, phone numbers of your child's doctor, asthma medicines.
There is no cure for asthma. Although, with proper self-management and medical treatment, the symptoms may improve. The frequency and intensity of attacks can reduce. Most people with asthma can lead near normal life. What is needed is right lifestyle, healthy habits, and proper asthma management plan. In this video, Breathe Easy with Asthma, we have attempted to give you some information. But for in-depth guidance, consult your doctor and take very good care of yourself.